Diaphragmatic breathing, a meditation guide for relaxation and mindful living. Breathing is an automatic function we rarely think about, yet it holds profound power over our mind and body. Diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing or abdominal breathing, is more than just a tool for relaxation. It's a gateway to enhanced mindfulness and holistic well-being. In this guide, we'll explore what diaphragmatic breathing is, how it works, and how it can improve your meditation practice and daily life. Diaphragmatic breathing is a foundational breathwork technique that engages the diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle beneath the lungs, to promote deep, intentional breaths. By allowing the belly to expand during inhalation, this practice encourages fuller lung capacity, increased oxygen intake, and a greater sense of relaxation. Unlike shallow chest breathing, which is often linked to stress and reduced oxygen efficiency, diaphragmatic breathing engages the full strength of your respiratory system. Each breath becomes a tool for calming the mind, grounding your awareness, and connecting with your body. Improved oxygen intake. By fully engaging the lungs, diaphragmatic breathing ensures more oxygen reaches your body's cells and tissues, energizing and rejuvenating you. Activation of the relaxation response. This technique stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, helping to reduce stress hormones like cortisol and promote a state of calm. Enhanced mindfulness and presence. Since the practice requires focus, it naturally cultivates a more grounded, mindful state, an essential component of meditation. Allow each breath to flow naturally, and you'll begin to unlock its transformative power. To truly appreciate diaphragmatic breathing, let's look at the science behind how it works and why it's so effective in creating calm and balance. When you inhale using diaphragmatic breathing, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, creating space for the lungs to expand fully. As you exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and moves upward, naturally pushing air out of the lungs. This wave-like motion is mirrored by your belly, rising as you inhale and falling as you exhale. Deep breathing maximizes oxygen intake and efficiently clears carbon dioxide, helping the body maintain optimal energy levels. This natural exchange soothes tension and fatigue, allowing your entire system to function in harmony. Diaphragmatic breathing activates the vagus nerve, shifting your nervous system into rest and digest mode. It slows your heart rate, lowers blood pressure, and reduces levels of stress hormones, creating a profound sense of peace. Understanding these physiological benefits helps you appreciate how deeply connected your breath is to your overall well-being. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into how to practice diaphragmatic breathing effectively. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down with a straight spine and relaxed shoulders. You can meditate in this position or simply take a quiet moment. Place your hands for feedback. Rest one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. This helps you track which part of your body moves as you breathe. Ideally, your belly should rise and fall while your chest remains relatively still. Inhale slowly through the nose. Take a deep breath through your nose, allowing your belly to expand outward as air fills your lungs. Imagine your belly as a balloon gently inflating. Keep the chest still. Draw attention to the steady motion of your abdomen, resisting the urge to lift your chest. Exhale completely and slowly. Let the air leave your lungs slowly, drawing your belly inward as you expel the breath. You can use your nose or mouth, whichever feels more natural. Repeat the cycle. Continue with this rhythm for 5 to 10 breaths to start, gradually increasing as you grow comfortable. With each inhale and exhale, feel the stress melting away. Begin with short sessions of 1 to 2 minutes and extend as your focus deepens. Use diaphragmatic breathing as an anchor during moments of emotional overwhelm or restlessness. Pair the breath with a keyword or affirmation, such as peace or calm, to further enhance relaxation. Integrating diaphragmatic breathing into your routine holds immense potential for transformation. Stress and anxiety reduction. This breathing practice counters the body's stress response, easing tension and cultivating a calm mind. Improved mindfulness. The intentional focus required develops your ability to stay present, a cornerstone of meditation. Support for meditation practice. Deep breathing prepares the mind for deeper meditative states, allowing your thoughts to settle and your awareness to expand. Enhanced respiratory health. Strengthening the diaphragm improves lung capacity and efficiency, particularly useful for physical well-being. Whether during meditation, yoga, or daily routines, diaphragmatic breathing is a versatile tool for mindfulness. Before practice, spend a few minutes with this technique to align your body and mind before beginning. In restorative poses, incorporate diaphragmatic breathing in gentle poses like child's pose to deepen relaxation. After practice, conclude your yoga session with controlled breathing to integrate its benefits. Stressful moments. Use this breathing method to steady your mind during challenging situations. Before sleep, wind down with a few rounds before bed for more restful sleep. During focused tasks, practice deep breathing before big presentations or projects to enhance clarity and reduce anxiety. If you face difficulties such as shallow breathing or a wandering mind, remember that practice is key. Place an object like a book on your belly to encourage diaphragmatic motion. Gently redirect your focus when distractions arise, treating each breath as a new opportunity to center yourself. To deepen your awareness, consider: how does diaphragmatic breathing shift your physical and emotional state? In what situations could this practice improve your well-being? How can you incorporate mindful breathing into your everyday life? By practicing diaphragmatic breathing, you create a bridge between body and mind, cultivating calm, balance, and a profound sense of presence. Let each breath remind you of the simplicity and beauty of the now.